Meet Lauren. Her car was totaled in an accident, and she needs to buy a new one. Thinking back to when she bought her last car, all the time she spent shopping online, coping with high-pressure salesmen, and sorting through all the confusion, she is bummed out. Totally overwhelmed about which car to buy, what to do next, and who to trust, she started to cry. Thankfully, her dad came home, dried her tears, and told her about YourWayAutomotive.com. He explained how they'll create a plan just for her, showing her which vehicles are best for her, how much she should pay, and where to get the best deal. She did as her dad suggested, and now she has the perfect car. She didn't have to deal with high-pressure salesmen, and she didn't overpay. And of course, her dad is the hero. YourWayAutomotive.com. You be the hero, we'll be the guide.